Hey guys, it's me, Acer Plays RBLX, and today I'm gonna take a look at the clock. Yep, that's right. My clock was messed up in my room, all because of my batteries on this clock is running low. So anyway, let's go. So, first I'm gonna have to take the clock off the wall and put it on the ground. And you see again, look at this. Clock keeps going back and forth sometimes. See? That is really weird. So I'm going to flip over and then you see a battery. Yep, that's right. Batteries are this clock is running low. So I'm going to have to take it off. If I take it off, it will stop running. And now the clock is stuck right there. So all I want to do is to replace the battery. So I have this Lightning McQueen here. And I just used this when I was a kid or something. So I'm gonna open this up here. And then you see 3 batteries. I'm gonna just pick one. And then I'm going to move it here to the clock. Then replace it. And now the clock starts running. So I hope this video helps us out. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. This is me, signing off.